Today in chapter 8, Transport and Communication, we will discuss about the transcontinental railways. Transcontinental railways are those railways which run across the continents and link its two ends. They are constructed for economic and political reasons to facilitate long run in different directions. A popular railway line is a Trans-Siberian railway line. As you can see here in the map, this is Russia and this is its western end, that is St. Petersburg, which is connected with its western end and have connection with the Baltic Sea, and this Baltic Sea is the part of Atlantic Ocean. So this way this have contact with Atlantic Ocean and easily can contact with the Western European country through this end. And this side is Vladivostok, which is Russia's eastern end, and from here this country has connection with China. This is China, and this side Japan, South Korea and North Korea. Means this with this end the transportation is possible with this port with the countries of Asia. And this Trans-Siberian Railway is the major rail route of Russia, run from St. Petersburg in the west to Vladivostok on the Pacific coast in east, passing through the Moscow, Kazan, Yekaterinburg, Tyumen, Omsk, Novosibirsk, Angarsk, Chita, Khabarovsk until Vladivostok. This is the longest rail route of the world. It is the most important rail route of Asia, and this is double tracked and electrified transcontinental railway of the world. This rail line helped Russia by opening its trade link with Asia from Vladivostok and with European country through the St. Petersburg. This railway line run across the Ural mountain, which is here, Ural mountain. Ob and Yangtze river. Chita is an important agro center of Irkutsk. This region is important agro center, and there is a fur center as well. There are connecting link to the south from Odisha, Ukraine from here, Baku in the Caspian Sea. You can Kazan can connect with the Caspian Sea. The Tashkent, Uzbekistan, Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia, which is in Mongolia. Shenyang is Mukden, and Beijing in China. This region have connection with China from here, right? Now next railway line is the Trans-Canadian Railway line. This is around 7,050 kilometer long, which run from Halifax in Newfoundland and Vancouver, Halifax which is at the Atlantic coast, and Vancouver at the Pacific coast. Calgary, Regina, Winnipeg, Quebec, Montreal, Ottawa and Sydney are the important railhead of this railway line. This railway line constructed in 1886 initially, which was the part of British Columbia here on the western coast and joined the Federation States. Later on, this railway line has gained importance due to the economic significance, because this is industrial region of Canada. This region is an industrial region, and this is prairies region which is very popular for wheat production. So this region from here train can export. This help to bring agro product, wheat and other farm product to till here, and can be transported from the seaports of Montreal, Halifax and Sydney to the European country. And each of these regions became complementary of each other. These both prairie region of Canada and Quebec industrial region of Russia. Winnipeg, there is a loop line from Winnipeg to the Thunder Bay here, right? This is Lake Superior, which is located in USA, right? And this line is an economic artery of Canada. Wheat and meat are the important export on this route, right? There is another railway line which is in USA, that is Union and Pacific Railway. This railway line connect New York in Atlantic coast to San Francisco over the Pacific coast through Cleveland, Chicago, Omaha, even Ogden and Sacramento. The most valuable export of this route are ores, grain, paper, chemical and machinery. This railway line is like that. This is San Francisco. This is passes through Nevada, Salt Lake City and connects Chicago here until New York. Right? This is Union and Pacific route. Now, next railway line is Transcontinental Railway Line of Australia. This railway line is running from Perth over the western coast of Australia to till Sydney over the eastern coast. This also connects the important cities of Calgary, Forest, Port Augusta, Broken Hills, Peterborough, Roto, Pokes, Albury, Melbourne, right? And one more sea route of world is Orient Expressway. Orient Expressway is a railway line which connects the Paris to Istanbul, which is passing through Strasbourg, Munich, Vienna, Budapest and Belgrade. It's higher. This is France. This Paris, Belgrade, Turkey में Budapest, right? This is here. There is a planning to connect this railway line via Tehran in Iran, Lahore, Delhi, Dhaka and till Rangoon and Bangkok in Thailand. And this railway line, this journey time of this railway line from Istanbul to Paris is only 96 hours against the 10-day by sea routes. And chief commodity on this route are cheese, bacon, oats, wine, fruits and machinery. When the proposal to build the Trans-Asiatic Railway line, the Istanbul will linked with the Bangkok via Iran, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Right? Thank you. This is all about the Trans-Continental Railway line.